Hi everyone, well it's that time of week for the weekly giveaway winner announcement. So this is what was up for grabs last week. Let me quickly show you before I go to my laptop and pull a winner out. So we have these lovely ruffles that I made on my sewing machine, just some lovely bits of fabric, some silk there, lovely ruffles. Got these cute little bags that I made as well from an old bag and some old book pages, and then we have a little envelope made from that as well, very handy for you to decorate. And then we have one of these stuffed pocket tags, and look, this is just so cute. It's got one of my handmade like bookmark tags in. And in here we have some little bits of ephemera, some Tim Holtz, a paper doll, another fabric piece that I made, so they go in there. And then we've got these lovely another little one of those pockets, a Rupert Bear one, nice lace on here, some little tickets, a flower, and some little bits of ephemera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go to my laptop and pull out the winner. So see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I just paused it and I've now got the random comment picker up, and I've put the URL in and we're going to find out who is the winner of our weekly giveaway. So good luck everyone. And the winner is Claire Sykes. So well done, Claire. Well done, everyone. Thank you for taking part. If you could email me your address details, and I'll pop your winnings in the post. Now, I do have two other prizes that I gave away, the spot prize that I haven't sent out yet. I had a really hectic week last week, so Sue is one of them. I will be posting yours out tomorrow, my lovely. Sorry you've had to wait. Because I'm going to be doing quite a few giveaways, I probably will do my posting out every fortnight because I've got other things. And my daughter's having an operation, so I need to be there for her as well. So if you don't get your prize straight away, don't worry, it is going to be sent out, but it's probably going to be easier for me to post out once a fortnight all of the prizes for the month, or you know what I mean. Sometimes I will send them out straight away. It all depends if I go near a post office. So you will get them, don't worry, I promise you. And for those of you that have got your got your prizes that you've won already, I think, if you could leave a message just to say that you've got it, and everyone will love to hear that and see that you're getting those prizes. Right, I'm going to go now. I shall see you all very, very soon with this week's giveaway. Just going to do that video now. Lots of goodies to be won, so keep your eyes out. Okay, and don't forget the challenge that we've got going. We've only had one entry in so far. So you have got the whole month, but don't leave it till the last minute, because, we need to get it in the post. So there is that going as well. Lovely journal up for grabs. If you haven't seen the video, please have a look. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.